Wow. Dude, who do we got here?
Yo.
What are you doing?
What's happening? Oh, just wandering about. Found this track out here in the middle of nowhere.
I know.
So it happens to be a brand new 500 two-stroke here.
Yep.
So.
Hell yeah, dude. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if it starts. That's step one.
Yeah, well, you know how to start one of those? It's got electric start, right?
No.
No, okay.
No, you gotta kick like a man.
Get the boots out.
You gotta get the chest hair out.
A little bit.
Just a little, right?
Oh yeah, there's plenty of that.
We got plenty of chest hair today.
I made sure it was ready to go.
Beautiful day. We got some moisture. Pretty excited about it. Let's see how it goes.
How's it going, everybody? Blake here. We are at Nomad MX, one of the oldest tracks in Arizona. And today I'm here with BVC Off-Road. Once again, it's been a couple years, but today we are on a 500 two-stroke in the modern chassis. Check it out.
So let's just talk about the bike a little bit. So you come up closer right here. You can see we've got our bolt-in kit. So we've got some billet cradles right here. With a nice billet headstay. This is a 2026 CRF450R with a 1990 CR500 engine. And basically no welding on the frame. This is 100% bolt-in. We've got Blake here. He's gonna put this thing through the ringer and test this new intake and airbox design that we just created for this kit. We've been selling these kits since 2021. They've been one of our best sellers. We've shipped them all over the world, but I've been honestly wanting to get Blake on this bike for years. So we're excited for today. Let's get to it.
Okay, so we've got a 1990 CR500 here. It's been totally rebuilt, and we've also got our PWK Nibby carb here. Gotta have that. Oh boy. You know it's serious when you gotta do that at the track. That's always serious.
things.
Can't see the sun go this way. Oh, dude, he got you good. That's what happens when you're video. How's she feel?
She feels good. Takes a minute to get back into the flow of things, but fortunately I've got my, let me catch my breath real quick, hold on. I got my muscle memory foam kicking in.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
I mean, you look all right.
Yeah, no, I feel pretty good.
You look
For about
comfy.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Yeah, I'm a sprinter only.
I mean, we've got some, looks like almost like chocolate cake out here for being Arizona.
Yeah, no,
pretty good.
The 500's riding good. It likes, the carb likes this elevation where we're at right now, it seems like. We're a little bit south of Tucson right now, so it's actually pretty cool, which is hard to say right now when it was 107 degrees just the other day. So, but the 500 feels good. It's been a minute since I rode a 500. It was at Daytona a couple years ago, rode the 500. But I've never rode a modern chassis 500. So, I mean, it kind of feels how it looks, you know,
So
the modern.
So the biggest question
Yeah.
for you is the vibration. Everyone's always asking vibration and all that stuff.
Yeah, well, no, it feels like I've been weed eating for about 6 hours, but other than that, no, it's good. No, I mean, the two strokes are always going to have the vibration, you know, like the last 500 I rode had the pretty good vibration, but it's not as bad as I thought with the modern chassis. So obviously these modern chassis are pretty good. Anyways, they're not as thick and rigid as the stuff in the early 2000s was. So it's a good combo. I mean, there's probably some things that we could do. Maybe drill some hole in the bars and put some silicone in there, some jelly or something.
Some KY in there.
Some KY. But no, outside of that, it's pretty good. It's like a sex machine on wheels.
Absolutely.
Yeah. We can edit that out, but
I think it was good. It's been a while.
yeah, we haven't turned my cardio on in a while either.
No.
And believe it or not, I'm working out still. And
Nothing is a replacement for dirt bikes.
That's
There just isn't.
yeah,
But, so you're gonna start this bad boy?
I am.
You got the chest hair out? She's there, man. You got some serious chest hair.
Thank you. Let's see. I can do it. I did it once already today. Okay, so got to ride the 500 two-stroke, and it was pretty awesome. We got the Nibby carb running good, tuned up a little bit. We've got a custom intake by BVC that they made for this bike, which ran really great as well. So you can check those out on the website. Overall, it had a good, you know, of course, bottom end and mid pull because of what it is. And, you know, like every 500, it kind of flattens out on top. So you got to keep it in the torque, which I like. Okay, so if you guys want to buy a bike like this, this is available. So hit up the guys at BVC Off-Road. They're in Tucson, Arizona. They can ship a bike, you know, whatever you need to do. But if you're looking for parts, they obviously sell those as well. So check those out on the website. Not much room here. Okay.